We started with like learning how to roll out a hose and
attach them to hydrants and spray different patterns on a hose nozzle.
Using chainsaws to cut holes in roofs and different carries on how to get people out of buildings. Our instructor, he's showing us like how you would do it in like the real world.
We learned CPR. We're learning how to rescue people from buildings.
It's a lot of stuff to learn, but it's really fun. It just gives you that connection to the firefighting world and how things work.
We have to push ourselves, and he's taught us like, push yourselves. It's gonna be hard, it's gonna be rough.
I didn't know how obtainable that career was until I saw I had that option applying at TV Tech.
And then it just like spoke to me. That's where I found my purpose. And that's why I wanted to be in public service.
It's a really good career that you can get into. Right after high school, you'll have everything you'll need to be a firefighter.
And if you like it, you like it, and boom, you have the education.
CV Tech helped me realize what I want to do in the future.
This has like really helped me like orient myself. It's making me more reliable. We do PT and I'm getting stronger every day and I can tell the difference.
Going out and being able to help people through their stuff, that's what I want to do through firefighting.
Do it, take the chance. I think it's an amazing thing.
Because I feel like this is a really good opportunity to find something that you can really enjoy in your future.